Struggling to create a group chat on Discord? Learn how to add up to 10 friends in seconds and take control of your conversations. If you have ever tried to coordinate with more than a couple of friends on Discord, you know the frustration. You try to start a conversation, but you either cannot find the option or you get stuck adding just 2 people and hitting a wall. It feels like the feature should be there, but it is hiding right in plain sight. So here is the good news. By the end of this tutorial, you will go from not being able to wrangle your friends into one chat to easily creating and managing group DMs with up to 10 people at once. No more confusing workarounds. Here is the plan. I am going to show you exactly where to click, from the home icon to selecting your friends and creating your group DM. It is a straight line from point A to point B, and I will walk you through every step. All right, so let us dive in. The first thing you want to do is click the home icon. That is the Discord logo in the very top left corner of your screen. Now, why do we start here? Because this is your command center. This icon opens up your friends list, which is where all the direct messaging magic happens. Without clicking here, you are just looking at your servers and channels, and you cannot start a private group chat from there. So just one click, top left, and you are in the right neighborhood. Now, next up, find the new group DM icon. Once you are on your friends list, look up to the top right corner. You are looking for a small icon that looks like a speech bubble with a little plus sign on it. That is your new group DM button. In my experience, this is the one icon people scroll right past because they are looking for something with the word group written on it. But this little speech bubble with the plus is exactly what you need. Give it a click. So now that we have clicked that icon, here is the fun part. Now select the friends you want to add. A new window or pop-up will appear showing your full friends list. This is where you can really start to take control. You can scroll through and click on the names of the people you want to invite. And pay attention to this one because this is the really important part. You can select up to 10 friends for a single group DM. That is 10 people total, including yourself. So if you're planning a game night or just want to catch up with the crew, you have plenty of room. Just type their names in the search bar at the top to find them faster, and click each name until they are all selected. And here is the moment we have been working toward. Finally, click Create Group DM. Once you have all your friends selected, you will see the Create Group DM button light up at the bottom of that window. Just click it, and just like that, your group chat is born. It will show up in your direct message list on the left-hand side, ready for messages. And that is really all there is to it. You have now gone from hunting around for a feature to confidently building your own group conversation in about 30 seconds. Discord puts a lot of control in your hands, and now you know exactly how to use it. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to AI Mastery for more straightforward guides on the tools you use every day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.